Welcome to the presentation of Nuclear Medicine, Europe's interactive Hygieia website. This innovative visual tool showcases the medical isotopes that have received marketing authorization within the European Union. Let's take a quick tour through the main features of this platform. You can filter the display to show isotopes used exclusively for diagnosis or those used solely for therapy. By hovering over each isotope, a text box will pop up, providing more information about that specific isotope. You also have the option to explore different zones of the body. By clicking on the highlighted zones, you can show or hide each area, allowing you to customize your selection of isotopes. The checkboxes enable you to select or deselect the isotopes you wish to display. Once your selection is finalized, you can export it by simply clicking the Export button. This will generate a high-resolution PDF file featuring your chosen isotopes. This interactive Hygieia tool is already available in over 15 languages, offering the same features and export options in each language. Please remember to read the disclaimer in the bottom left corner before using the generated image. For more information about nuclear medicine, visit nuclearmedicineeurope.eu.